the realm of code, where data flows like streams, a simple tool weaving through the programmer's dreams. It's a map of keys to values in harmony bound in the language of Python, where wisdom is found. In the weave of the code, a melody so bright, dictionaries guide us through the light. With keys and values, a dance so light. In the rhythm of Python, our code takes flight. Curly braces open, a world revealed, a canvas of data once concealed. Modify access in this field. With dictionaries our fate is sealed. Like a song in the code, a path so clear. Dictionaries hold what we hold dear. In the pulse of Python we draw near to the essence of coding without fear. Under the glow of the midnight lamp, through the code our journey, our stamp. With every key, every value a champ. In the heart of Python we set our camp. So let's raise our voices in this ode to the tool that carries our load. In the world of Python a road, with dictionaries our stories unfold.